What is up, you guys, and welcome to another vlog. We are gassing up here at Petron across Philippine Statistics Office. Yep, today we are going to tour the southern part of Basco or Batan Island here in Batanes. Let's go! Chawa View Deck. This is where you're supposed to be going. Cool. Amazing. Look, oh. Adiman pa. Wow. It's so... Tuman mo pikat to kumarigo. This is our first stop here in the southern part of Basco, Batanes, in Ibatan Island or Batan Island, I'm not sure. But guys, this is the Chawa View Deck. It's so amazing! This is our first stop and it, wow, really, I swear, parang look at the splashes. Look. I don't know if this thing can show you how blue and clear the water is over there. Just look at this view. Amazing. It's so beautiful. So that's the road going there, guys. Going to the southern part of the island. We can actually go down there. Let's try. Wow. Amazing. Pero nakakalula lang talaga siya, guys. Ang ganda. We're going down to the last step of this stairs. Wow, look. It's so huge, guys. The rock formation and then the water is so clear. Ang ganda mag-scuba diving. Iniwan lang namin yung gamit namin sa taas. So, they said na parang it's safe naman here. So, we'll test that. Andun yung mga iPad, other cameras. Pwede ka talagang bumaba, pero parang hindi na siya. Parang medyo nakakatakot ng bumaba there. So, wow, look. Man, this is the most famous spot! Whoa! Grab! Oh my God! Hello! Now we are on our second spot. Actually, marami na kaming daanan coming here. Kaso lang, we decided to go to the farthest tourist attraction and then we will go to those places on our way back home. And here, in front of me is the House of Dakay. Hindi ko lang alam kung pwedeng pumasok. But this is one of the oldest stone houses here that survived during the earthquake. Earlier, we were able to a very unexpected meet up with the owner of the Honesty coffee shop over here. We were familiar with them because we saw an interview on YouTube with Chris Aquino, and then interviewing them about how they met and stuff. And they were so nice, they were so friendly. So let's visit their coffee shop. So when you enter, guys, on your left, some souvenir items. Their food, goodies, coffee. They also have coffee here. And then hot water, brewed coffee. Amazing. With their drinks. They also have mini donuts, banana muffins, some other food. Ooh, cute ref magnets. Makokonsensya ka talaga because Lord, I trust in you. Kapyan ka mo pa no Diyos.
Oo.
And here on this area, you can actually write and share your honest thought about probably this store or in general, Batanes. Nice.
Unang language ko.
Pag waray-waray ikaw, damo nga salamat. Damo nga salamat. Tag 350 per pounds. Sorry. Joke lang. Joke lang. Go na. Okay. And then you will write your order there. Bakit pwede nga di lumingkod? Pwede nga di lumingkod? So guys, kabayan bread, 50 pesos. Grabe, no? I think that's Sabtang Island, no? White sand din dun. Adi man stone. We are at Barangay Uyugan, and they have amazing stone houses here. So beautiful, guys. Look here. Along the road lang siya. Maganda, nadaanan lang namin. Look, so beautiful. These are really solid stone houses, guys. Grabe, amazing. Probably because maraming storm surges dito, no? Daanan ng bagyo. Tara, let's take a picture. Look, guys. Amazing. But look, wow! Especially kung green talaga sila lahat. Look at that. Wow! This is in the municipality of Uyugan. Wow, grabe, we're on top of the hill. Amazing. Alam, pagtipalusad ini, oh my God. I want eh. Oh my God. Ulo.
Lukad paglusay.
Kita na video na good. Lusan na ni Lusan. Lusan na. Oh my God. Cut that helmet. Woo! O, sukat-sukat lang kitang analo, Ustad. Ano kaya hindi na kita masaka?
Kaiba lagi ako. Ato ka igunat ano. Kita niya ako.
Hello?
Nakikita ikaw.
Funny, but look at guys, look at the view. Can you hold the helmet please? Maulang ako paglusad. Wow, guys, we are at municipality of Iyogan and look what we found. Palikhan Kamaninungan. Look. Woo! Amazing guys. So syempre, ang isa pagod na kaya nasa ano siya.
I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but
I love it. This video, parang hindi siya ma-justify how beautiful the place is. So you should really come and see it in your own eyes.
at least 100 more times, baby. What a beautiful way to spend a life.
We are on our next spot. This is Madangay. And look, we found something here, guys. Actually, grabe ang init na. It's currently 11:38. Wow, in fairness, 11:38 pala. But ang dami nating napuntahan. This is the restroom. Restroom? Wow, so nice. Boss! Matutunan paano pag-open. Look what we found. Wow! Amazing! So if you pass by this area, you can actually stay there kasi parang may bahay kubo dyan. Maganda. For everyone, I guess. And then there's a restroom if you want to use it. We're halfway. Based on the map, we're halfway to go back to the other side. May mga carabaos din dun, no? And then goat.
Pati yung mga carabaos, mababait din.
Look, this is one of the famous spots here in Batanes. The blow your horn signage plus the biyak na bato. Super blind curve talaga yan. So you really need to blow your horn. Ganda ng rock formation, oh. You get this view. And then from there, you can actually stay at this small cottage. Parang it's for everyone. Kasi medyo malayo na dito, guys. There's the spot where we did swing earlier. The restroom is over here. And you can take photos over there with the beautiful scenery of this part of Batanes. Ang ganda, I swear. Look. wala masyadong tao dito. And then on the other side, it's a hill again with house over there. And our motorcycle there. Sulit ang full tank actually. How's your trip so far?
Nice.
Tiring, no? Whew. That's the National Museum of the Philippines here in Batanes. Ano to? National Museum Batanes branch. So, andun yung tinambayan namin kanina. We rested there for a while and then here's the National Museum. Few meters away lang talaga. We are going to the other side again, going back. So, we'll go na. Bye! That's the toppest. Ano ba ito? The highest peak here in the south, and from there you can see Sabtang Island. That yun yung dapat dadaanan namin kanina, kaso parang hindi na, delikado na siya. So sa likod kami dumaan, and we're going down to Mahataw again. Go! You will see how beautiful the area is. Look! Wow! Sobrang peaceful. Ayun yung sinasabi nilang attraction. This area over here. Just to give you an idea, guys, of all places that we visited here in Batanes, Ibatan Island, parang ito lang yung merong entrance fee so far. And also, they are also asking for parang tourist number mo. I don't know kung ano yun. Basta upon coming here, parang bibigyan ka na nila ng tourist number, something like that. I don't know. But when you come here, it's 50 pesos. Worth it siya, I swear. I mean, ang layo ng trinavel namin, but this one is just so beautiful. Seems like you're in another country, I swear. It's so beautiful. So this is actually parang a 250-meter na tunnel.
Ng Pacific Ocean. Dalawang pintuan, bandang.
That's the Japanese tunnel, guys. Ito yung exit point. Ano, no? You cannot enter because... do not enter without guide and torch. Ay, buti na lang wala kaming guide.
Kahit sa...
Beautiful. Beautiful sunset today here in Basco, Batanes.
Open nga pag-abot.
The lighting here, guys. We are calling it a day. Finally, we're able to go around south of Batan Island to Ivana, Uyagan, Mahataw, Matawha,
Tahaw.
Mahataw,
Tahaw.
Matahaw. Hindi ka magkatao ang last part eh. Mahataw.
Tahaw.
And then we went around. Inikot namin yung area doon. And now, just in time for the beautiful sunset here in Vayang Rolling Hills. Basco Rolling Hills. Whew. Amazing. So, we're calling it a day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and then don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the next one. So we have our tapsilog over here, the pansit bihan, and 2 extra rice. And we are craving for barbecue since day 1, so we bought 10 pieces of it. So let's have dinner.